Hello everybody, this is Carrie with her product ADS-701, this microscope, HDMI and USB double output digital microscope. And today I will use this device to observe the main board of VIVO, the very famous Chinese smartphone brand, this one. Do you guys have any idea of this phone? It's kind of old phone. I bought it maybe 2 or 3 years ago, and it doesn't work anymore. So I just make. And the main board is here. The little thing on this board is smaller than Huawei one, but it's also bigger than iPhone if you watched my old videos before. And now the device, let's do some measurement about the focus distance of right now. It's almost 13, I guess. 13. I will change a new phone. This one is really cannot focus on anything. Okay, let's try this one. Do you guys see it clearly? It's amazing, right? It's awesome. If I have a better phone to do this recording, I will give you a better image, because with my bare eyes I can saw it very clear, but in the phone I have no idea. It's not such better. It's not such good as with my bare eyes.